Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Valorant error code band 6. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to open up your task manager and make sure you're not running any tasks related to the right client, Valorant and Vanguard. And when you close all the tasks here, then on the bottom right corner should be a little arrow up button that says show hidden icons. Press on that and also exit Riot Vanguard here. And once you do that, then on search, just write firewall and network protection here, and then press allow an app to firewall, and then press change settings, and then press allow another app, press browse, and then you need to find your Valorant files. Mine is on local disk C, program files AX86. Probably it's something similar to you as well. And then look for Riot games, Valorant live, and add this thing here and press add. And after you do that, then if the problem persists, what you need to do here next is to go to search and go to services, and then tap on one of the tasks here and press V. And VGC should be the option for you to look, and then press on properties, go to on properties, make sure startup type is on automatic here, and also service status is on running. If it's not running, press start, wait for a couple of seconds until boots up, and then press OK. And that's basically it, what I wanted to show you. That should fix error band 6 on Valorant. So if I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.